What's up guys? This right here, right behind me is my 2018 BMW M3cs. It is wrapped in a limestone gray. Currently there are only 500 that were produced in the US and I have one of them. So this car was hit pretty hard. It was hit on the side. I ended up replacing the quarter panel, got it painted and everything. Now it's time to assemble. So what we got going on over here is I'm going to strip the whole interior, get it cleaned up because it is filthy. Get it cleaned up, get the airbags in, the seat belts, put the headliner in, put the seats back in, and start puzzling this thing. So this right here was where the primary damage was. I'll upload a picture right here to show you what the before was, but as you can see, it just came out so perfect. Just look at it, just look at it. So right now I'm installing my seatbelt. Once I get this side installed, I'm going to install that side. Go ahead and put the trims, the covers, remove the seat, vacuum everything, clean it up, install my rear seats, and okay, so now it's time to remove my seat. Let's get right into it.
That's a good shot right there.
So this seat right here was unfortunately put in the car. And when they wrecked it and they totaled it, they left this piece of junk. So now I'm left with the seat. Now that I got the seat out, it's time to get in here, vacuum everything up, install the final seat belt. Once I get the seat belt in, we're gonna install the curtain side airbag and buckle everything up together. Cleaned up, the seat belts are in, the airbag is in. We're gonna go ahead and put the headliner in. Watch out, we're about to put it in right now. Let's see if we can get it first try. So tonight, pretty much what we did was assemble the interior, clean it up, put the rear seats in. Tomorrow I'm gonna be picking up my front seat. The airbag did deploy. And we got it reupholstered and everything. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow, install it. The interior is pretty much cleaned up. There's a few things that need to be put in, like the rear door panel and the rest of the little trims. But I'm gonna save that for another day. Peace. This is day 2 of working on my 2018 BMW M3cs. Now last night, we ended up putting most of the interior in, the rear seats, and getting it cleaned up because it was really filthy. Now my main focus for today's video and for today's part is putting on the rear bumper, putting on the tail light, assembling the trunk, putting on my gas cap, as well as my rocker panel and the fender. Now before we put the rear bumper on, we do have to solder this wire. So let's get to it. Now that we got the wire all fixed up, what we are going to do is go ahead and install the tail light as well as the carbon fiber rear diffuser on the rear bumper and go ahead and put it in. still out here. Unfortunately, we didn't get everything that we wanted to do. So we wanted to put the front fender in, but we didn't have a part for it, the emblem. So we're gonna go ahead and put the front seats in, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so now it's time to install the driver's side seat. Let's get to it. It is currently the next morning and we are out here on the grind. Last night we were trying to get everything put together, but we are still missing the headlight because it's currently getting repaired. So what we are going to do instead, to not waste any time, is to go ahead and knock out all the plastics and get the undercarriage taken care of so that we don't have to do it later. Let's get to it. So we're gonna go ahead and install the front fender. We are missing the front emblem, but that's gonna be coming in the mail Monday. And once it comes in, we'll go ahead and install it. Now that we got the fender all mounted up, what we are going to do is go ahead and put the fender liner on. So let's get to it. All right, guys, now take a look. These brake calipers were painted, looks like a green, but the quality of this paint isn't the best. What do you guys think if I go ahead and get some powder coated red? Leave a comment down below if you guys think I should do that. But let's go ahead and put the fender liner on. Now that we get the headlight mounted up, it's time to go ahead and put this bumper on. Alright guys, so we finally got our brackets for our rocker panel, and it's time to go ahead and get it installed. Alright guys, so the 2018 BMW M3cs is finally finished, and man, this color is looking absolutely beautiful. Now this is one of 90 CSs in this color, making this a total of 500 in the US. Now, a lot of people were asking me and leaving me comments and DMing me, asking me, how much did I pick up this car for? Now, the answer to that is I picked this car up for a total of $22,000. Now, a lot of things have changed from this car. For example, the front and rear wheels have been replaced with the OEM CS wheels. That cost me around $2,500. Moving on to the front end, the front bumper was also replaced, as well as the lip. The lip cost me around $400. The front bumper was around $950-ish or so. The fender was around $675. The doors were about $330 a pop. Side skirt, the rocker panel was around $300. Quarter panel was around $1,700, and the rear bumper was around $675. Guys, there is one thing that I forgot to mention, and you guys probably noticed it in the video. Why do I have a Sparko racing seat in my CS? Well, I didn't put it in there. The previous owner purposely put it in there because this car was a track car, and I'm not sure if he forgot or didn't want to put the OEM seat back in there, but that kind of sent me back around $3,000 because I had to buy the upholstering from the dealer, which they told me it's around $2,200 plus some change. And the ETA for its arrival is around 2 to 3 months. So I'm still waiting for that leather to come in. Now I had to pick up a used seat, which costed me around $1,000, making that front seat costing me around $3,300. Now the total cost of this car to be fixed
with parts and labor was around $16,000. So this car came out to me around $38,500 or so. I will leave down in the description every single part that I bought and the exact cost breakdown. But guys, this is going to be a wrap for the video. If you guys liked it or didn't like the video, leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of the build and if it was worth it for the price that we paid for this car. And also, if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know what we should do next to the car. Peace.